At Pendleton, This has been a test of the emergency alert system conducted by the National Weather Service Office in Spokane, Washington. The 11 a.m. rain was falling with This has been a test of the NWS Weather Radio Tone Alert device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, the National Weather Service broadcasts a special tone which activates an alarm on specially built receivers. A test of the tone alert is normally conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and tone alert will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the tone alert will be activated only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties: Douglas, Chelan, Ferry, Grant, and Okanagan. The 11 a.m. weather observations. At Wenatchee.